If you're wondering how to verify your Cash App account and unlock all its features, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can send, receive, and even increase your transfer limits with confidence. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share a tip on how to check your verification status anytime. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen. This takes you to your account settings. Next, scroll down and select Security and Privacy. This is where all your security options are located. Under the Identity Verification section, tap Verify. If you already see a green verified badge, congratulations. Your account is good to go. If not, Cash App will prompt you to enter your personal information. You'll need to provide your legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. In some cases, Cash App may ask for additional details such as your full SSN, home address, a government-issued photo ID, or proof of income. Don't worry, Cash App encrypts all your information and securely sends it to their servers, keeping your data safe. Once you've submitted everything, simply wait. The verification process usually takes up to 48 hours, though it might take longer if you had to upload extra documents. To check your status anytime, tap your profile icon again, go to Security and Privacy, and look for that verified badge in the Identity Verification section. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Cash App account. This simple process helps keep your account secure and unlocks higher sending limits, Bitcoin withdrawals, and more. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check the description for additional tips and resources.